Hey, what up, y'all? So, I've been at pull apart for the last couple hours, tricking off time. But, yeah, so while I was there, this is my regular armrest and my seat, which was perfect until, like a couple years ago, somebody broke in my car and scratched all this stuff up. So, had some free time, so I said, I'm tired of having this scratched up armrest. So, went and found me another one. So fresh leather, it's dirty, so just gotta clean it off real quick and put it on. All it is just, I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, there's eight screws to get this little cover off, and then once you get that off, it's 4 screws behind here, so which will be all it is. So I'm gonna go ahead, take this one loose so I can get rid of that and have some good leather again. Alright, so after you get all of these screws off, which I got 2 left, so once you get all the screws off, this back leather piece, well, that won't move. You have to pull the plastic piece forward. So pop this loose. It won't come off because it's like a loop around this little piece. So now you can reach these last 4 screws. Once you do that, you can get this leather piece off, and then it'll just be time to screw the new piece on and then screw this back together. And this is how this little thing works, the little handle, just in case you were curious. It's just a little piece of metal in here, a little spring thing. But yeah, go ahead and get this off and put the new to me piece on. So after you got all 4 of these off, this will just fall right off of there. So that's that. And if yours is messed up and you need to replace this piece too, all you do is just slide it out like that. You got this piece out. But mine is good, so we're dropping this right back on. And time to screw this piece on. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off real quick before I put it back on there though. So after a few screws, we are back in action. So fresh armrest, everything's screwed in. Didn't take long, 10-minute job maybe. So got that, and don't have to worry about these tiger claws anymore. But yep, just in case anybody else was having a thought about swapping out this armrest or replacing it, pretty easy job. Part costs like $9 at the junkyard, so not a lot of money, not a lot of time. But that's it for this one, and catch y'all in the next one.